Hello friends and welcome to Passion for Cooking. Today I'll share how to prepare eggless dinner rolls or ladi pav in cooker. First, in a mixing bowl, take 2/3 cup of warm water. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar and mix. Add 1 1/4 teaspoon of active dry yeast and mix. Cover and keep for activation for 10 minutes. Once the yeast is activated, add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil and give a quick mix. Take 1 1/2 cup of maida. First add only half cup of maida to yeast mixture and mix. This helps in gluten formation. Now add rest of the flour gradually and mix with spoon to bring together. Now knead the dough for around 2 to 3 minutes. In a plate, take half tablespoon of oil and start kneading the dough. Knead for 10 minutes until dough becomes non-sticky. Take oil as and when required throughout the kneading. We use up to 2.5 tablespoon of oil throughout. Dough will be very sticky, but we need that consistency to get feathers of ladi pav. Now apply oil to the mixing bowl and place the dough in it. Apply oil on top of the dough and cover and keep aside for rising for around 1 to 2 hours or until doubled. Once the dough is risen, punch to release trapped air. If you see strings are formed on the sides of dough, this indicates the texture of the pav will be very nice. Take out the dough and knead for a minute or two. Divide the dough in equal portions. Take one portion and tuck into a smooth ball. Apply oil to the vessel in which you are planning to prepare pav. Place the buns in greased vessel. Apply oil on top of the buns. Cover and keep for rising for 30 minutes or until doubled. Meanwhile, get the cooker ready for baking. In a cooker, place a stand or another vessel inverted. On top of that, we will place pav for baking. Remove the gasket and whistle from the cooker lid while baking. Now cover the cooker with lid and preheat on low to medium flame for around 10 minutes. Meanwhile, buns are doubled in size. Place the vessel in cooker. Cover with lid and bake on low to medium flame for 15 minutes. Make sure your vessel with the buns is placed in the middle of the cooker to ensure it works like a middle rack in the oven and doesn't burn the buns from the bottom. After 15 minutes, apply butter to top of buns. Cover and bake for another 10 minutes. You can check if buns are cooked properly by tapping on the top of the buns. They should sound hollow. Once done, remove from the cooker. Apply butter on top of the buns and cover with wet cloth for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove the cloth. Bun should be soft on top. Separate the buns from sides and remove in a plate. You can already see the buns are very soft and texture is also good. You will get desired color on top if the top of buns is not very far from the lid of the cooker. These buns turn out extremely soft and tasty. Do not let the buns over-rise while proofing, else they turn out very wrinkly after baking. So I hope you like the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.